Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with cucumber. Begin by boiling potatoes until fork tender, then drain and cool briefly before peeling and dicing. While potatoes cool, salt and slice cucumbers and pat them dry to avoid a watery salad. Mix mayonnaise, a splash of vinegar, a pinch of sugar, salt, and pepper, then fold in potatoes and cucumbers gently and chill before serving. Gather your ingredients so assembling is easy and relaxed. Choose waxy potatoes for texture and 1 medium cucumber per pound of potatoes for the right crunch ratio. Prepare a simple dressing with mayonnaise, vinegar, sugar, salt, and black pepper, tasting as you go so flavors balance. Chop herbs like dill or chives for freshness, then combine everything gently so the potatoes stay chunky and the salad looks inviting. Handle the salad gently to keep it hearty and satisfying. After boiling and cooling potatoes, dice them to even sizes so every forkful is consistent. Pat cucumbers dry so the dressing stays thick and clings to ingredients. Combine dressing and solids carefully, folding rather than stirring aggressively, and always taste as you add vinegar, salt, or sugar so the balance matches your preference before chilling for at least 1 hour.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.